What's up, y'all? I'm Tawana. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified when I upload new videos. To my old subscribers, hey girl, hey. So today I just wanted to share with you a bag that I've had sitting here in the box. I just opened it up today. I ordered this bag on June the 14th and just never got around to opening it and doing a video on it. This is the Jamie Camera bag. It's the signature canvas, also with the racer blue trim. And I'll go ahead and take this out. I do have another Jamie bag that I had wanted to do a video on, but never did it. And it was in the color red with the signature canvas on the rim of it. So this is the one that I ordered first. So I really love this bag. I carry this bag. Oh my God, I've been carrying this bag like every day. I don't care what I got on. And so this one is the lit red pebble leather with the gold and the signature Coach signature canvas around the half the size in the bottom. It has a pocket in the back, and you can tell that I've been carrying this boy. And then it has the signature strap, and then on the other side is red, so you can kind of like, you know, swap whatever side you want to wear the strap on, but I normally just wear it on the signature canvas side because it has the, the little D-ring for my coin pouch. So I really love this bag. I never did a video on it. I always said I was going to, and just never took the time to do it. But this is, all the stuff that I have in it. I can do a video on what fits in these bags. But I'll do that in another video. But I'm back to the bag I ordered. This is in the signature canvas with the racer blue. It has the woven straps with the Coach name on it. And then it also has the D-ring as well if you wanted to add your little accessories to it. The inside is dark black. Is that black or navy? No, that's navy. The inside of the bag is navy. And these bags, they hold a lot. Like, you'd be surprised. And I also ordered the matching card case. I didn't order too many accessories for this bag because I have other signature canvas items, but I think this was only like $20. So I got this as well. It has one, two, three card slots in the front. Has a slot in the middle. And then the back slot, or you can probably put your ID or whatever you want to put in there. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. And I got both of them for about $121. So yes, and I'll do a video on what fits and what accessories I'll use, but I just wanted to do a little quick unboxing with you. The comparable value, or the price, regular price, which outside the outlet was $378 in US and $378 in Canadian. But again, like I said, I only paid $101.83 for that, for the bag, and $20 for the card case. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be trying to post a little bit more if I can. I know I've been slacking, but I'm gonna do the best I can, y'all. So just bear with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Y'all have a great rest of the day. Peace.